Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your invoices in QuickBooks using the latest technical design interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to align their studio-level bookkeeping with a high-end brand identity and ensure their latest market analysis communication is polished. First, locate the high-end sidebar navigation. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional workflow. You need to access the main navigation structure where your latest Studio financial modules are housed. Focus on the left-hand navigation sidebar on your QuickBooks home screen. Hover your cursor over the technical tab labeled Sales and Get Paid. In the latest standards, this menu is the professional gateway to all income-related activities. Navigating here, Technicality prepares your workspace for a high-end session by focusing your environment on revenue-generating tasks. Next, execute high-end dashboard management. Now that you have reached the technical destination, you can begin the professional management of your latest Studio receivables. Review the visual status bars at the top of the Invoices screen. You can Technicality filter by unpaid, overdue, or recently paid to perform a high-end audit of your latest professional cash flow. Mastering this navigation path is a professional standard in the latest bookkeeping environments. Technicality allows you to studio manage your time by jumping directly to the most critical latest financial tasks. Click on the link that says View Edit to Technicality open the full document details. Once the invoice screen populates, you can click into any field such as quantity, rate, or description to Technicality start customizing. You can also Technicality adjust the message on invoice or service date to better reflect your latest Studio activities. And that's pretty much it. To reach your billing area in the latest version, hover over Sales and Get Paid in the sidebar and Technicality click on Invoices. This path serves as the professional gateway to your high-end Studio ledger. From here, you can Technicality review your latest project payments and verify your bookkeeping status. This professional workflow ensures your navigation is optimized and high-end for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.